Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford F-150 Super Crew 4x4. That is running smooth, so I'll go ahead and take you for a tour. Just have the tow hooks up front, alloy wheels, fixed running boards, power sliding back window, and the FX4 package. There's tow package, Bedliner, spray on. And it is an XLT. Alright, it does have additional power supplies back here, of which one of them is a 110. It's your keyless entry right there. These are fabric seats and they have a very cool tire pattern down the fabric. So we look down here, we'll see that it has 36,988 miles on this vehicle. Coming over here, go ahead and turn this fan down so you can hear me better. You have your stereo controls, push to talk, your trip computer, and cruise control. You see that it clearly has XM as well. We'll close that out. Okay, for the sources, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Okay, there's your phone, there's your navigation, your applications, and your settings. All right. As we come down here, you've got your shifter, your select shift, and it does have heated seats up front. Trailer controls, 2- and 4-wheel drive. Again, another 110 right here. Cup holders. You got additional stowage down there, and then up here you're going to have your map reading lights and your sunglasses holder. All right. This vehicle is a branded title. There was an impact. The airbags did not deploy. There was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.